Hi Nicolas, tell me something about yourself and about your project, please.
So my name is Nick Viller. I come from Microsoft Research in Cambridge in the UK. And the project that we're showing here is called the peppermill. And the idea is, well, I can show you. This is a wireless remote control. And I can using by turning the handle, and I can change the channel, or I could change the volume by pressing the button. So it's a wireless remote control, but the key thing is that it has no batteries. All the energy needed to power the microcontroller in here and do the sensing of me turning this and transmitting the wireless signal, all that energy comes from the act of turning the knob. So it's an electric motor with a little gearbox. And what happens is, as you turn the motor, if you turn the motor by hand, you generate some power output. And this gives a nice opportunity of using it as a power source for an electronic circuit. So basically, if you replace the knob with one of these little motors, as you turn it, you're generating power. But what's even more interesting is that it's more than just power, because you're also generating information about which direction you're going to turn it. Depending on the polarity. So if I turn one way, there'll be plus and minus. If I turn the other way, it's minus and plus. Also, depending on how quick I turn it, the power output will vary. So the faster I turn it, I'll generate my power.
Is there any possibility to store energy in there?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's a couple of capacitors in there to store a very small amount of energy. You can add a larger capacitor in addition, so that if you're generating more power that you can use at that moment, you can store it and use it for later use.
How big can you think on it?
How big in terms of?
Well, how much can you do with it in the end?
I think quite a lot. It's a very open-ended component, and I'm very intrigued to see what other people will do with it. So we're making this available. If anyone wants to play with, we'll just send them one for free. And I'm really intrigued to see what people will build with them.
So I want to have one as well. Thank you.